Oh yeah, you are about to get a nice suspension refresh. What's good, everybody? It's your boy CSOTB back with another fantastic video. Hope you guys have been doing well. You should know the vibes. We got the Z3 in the back, and we've got a whole gang of suspension parts down here. So let me show you what we have. We have the BC Racing Coilovers. I haven't really unboxed them per se. I have taken a look at them, so we'll go through those in a minute. And I've been wanting some of these for forever, but you know, they cost, and I've always been on the budget, but you know, now I have a little extra money, so we're able to get these. So boom, let's pop these baddies open. So I have the BR type. I guess they're entry model coilovers, I'm guessing. I already took the stickers off because I'm just going to slap them somewhere in that engine bay. And yeah, this is all you get. You get your sway bar links, which we'll toss over here. A lot of packing material, and oh, look at that. That shit looks nice. Looks like we have some those rubber bushings. I think they're for the rear. And of course, got your rear shocks. You know, nothing too crazy. And your rear springs. So perfect. Comes with everything. So man, let's get started on this job. I've been waiting all week to do this, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and start getting these wheels off the car. I swear, sometimes you gotta love quality assurance. I just found out the place I bought these parts from sent me the wrong fucking parts. These look more like E46 parts. So now I gotta figure out, hey, you gotta send me the wrong parts. You gotta send me some more shit. So let me go do a return RMA request, and we'll just continue on with the coilovers. Alright, so I got my return request sent off. Hopefully they send me my return package slip, and I'll get those other parts sent off. So we'll just make the suspension a 2-part series. So in the meantime, let's get to installing these coilovers. This right here are 19 millimeters, or yeah, 19s. So remember that, 19s for that single bolt right behind the brake rotor. Here's the difference between the two. There's a BC, there's stock, of course, and it's a night and day difference, if you can tell. Alright, I got the new coilover in. We're just gonna do everything reverse, put it back up, and once I have both sides on, we can kind of make some adjustments. Well, actually, I gotta get the rears on, so once we have everything done, then we'll make some adjustments, see how everything looks. When adjusting the camber plates, make sure the plate is horizontal to the front of the car. So in other words, make sure these camber plates are really pointing towards each other. So I gotta drop these down some and turn them so they're, you know, facing horizontal. Alright kiddos, now we're ready for the rear. Super simple, just gotta pop the spring out right here, and then so one bolt down here at the bottom of the shock. I think it's like what, a 19 or some shit, I don't know. And then you got 2 bolts up there behind the soft top. So let's go ahead and get that done, and I'll be right back with you. So in my experience working with E46s and now this, a little pro tip with the rear spring, best thing to do is jack up the car, the back part of the suspension as far as you can, put some zip ties around the springs, and then let it loose. You'll have enough space to start prying this out, and it'll help get this son of a bitch out, because this is a pain in the ass. Alright, this side is done. Got the spring in. Gotta get the other side, and we'll be done with these coilovers. Alright, so all four have been done. I'm pretty sure some of the stuff may be a little uneven, especially the front versus the back, but I will adjust the overall drop of the car when I get those suspension parts, because quite frankly, I don't see a point when I'm gonna get back underneath. But let's go ahead and drop everything down and see how the car will sit under load. Boom. You know what, I got the fronts like perfect. I might camber them just to prevent rubbing. Like this has a little space, but not a lot of space. So, but I got the fronts just right. The rears can come down some more, not much, but still has room for more. So yeah, yes sir. Let's do a quick cinematic.